In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe, install, and connect with NordVPN. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a plan, download the app on your device, sign in, and connect either instantly or by choosing a specific server that fits your needs. First, head to NordVPN's official website and choose a plan that works for you. Plans mostly differ by features and duration, so pick what suits your usage and budget. Once your plan is set, download the NordVPN app for your device. There are versions for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. Make sure you're downloading from the official site or a trusted app store to avoid any fake apps. If you're on mobile, the App Store will handle the download. On desktop, you'll get an installer file. It's a good idea to have a stable internet connection during the download and to close other bandwidth-heavy apps for a smoother setup. Next, install and log in. On Windows or Mac, open the installer, follow the on-screen prompts, and allow any permissions the app requests. On iOS or Android, just tap install and wait for it to complete. Launch the app and sign in with your Nord account. If you already had the app before, check for updates first so you have the latest features and security improvements. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main dashboard with a large connect button and a map or list of locations. Now, let's connect. For the fastest and easiest option, use Quick Connect. Tap the big button and NordVPN will automatically select a nearby low-load server to give you a reliable connection. Wait for the connected status to appear, and you're protected. If your connection drops, simply hit the button again to reconnect. If you want more control, choose a server manually. Use the map to click on a country or open the list to browse locations and see server load information. This is useful if you're trying to appear in a specific country or you want to experiment for better speeds. You'll also find specialty servers such as P2P servers for torrenting. Select those when your activity benefits from a connection optimized for peer-to-peer traffic. In general, picking a geographically closer location with lower server load can improve speed and stability. That's it. Subscribe and download, install and log in, then connect using Quick Connect or pick your preferred location. If you ever need to switch servers, just disconnect and choose another. Keep the app up to date and you're good to go.